Good morning, students. Welcome to part 4 of our chapter number 9, Soil. In that, we were studying the properties of soil. I told in homework to do activity 9.4. What is it? Let us see. You have to take the 3 pieces pipes of the same size, same diameters, right? If possible, get a small tin can and cut off its bottom. If you are taking a PVC pipe, you can take approximate diameter 5 centimeter and 20 centimeter long. Now at the place you collect the soil, place the pipe about 2 centimeter deep in the ground. You have to dig 2 centimeter deep inside the ground and then place the pipe. Now pour 200 milliliter water in the pipe slowly. Right? Now note the time when you start pouring water. When all the water has percolated, leaving the pipe empty, note the time again. Means all the water is absorbed inside the soil. There is no water remaining inside the pipe. This time you started pouring water and the time when there is no water inside the pipe. That time you have to note down. Be careful not to let the water spill over or run down on the outside the pipe. You have to pour the water very slowly. देखना है कि पानी बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, वेस्ट नहीं जाना चाहिए. धीरे धीरे उसके अंदर डालना है और द टाइम जब से आपने डालना शुरू किया तब से लेकर जब तक कि वो सारा पानी एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हो जाता सॉइल के अंदर, that much time you have to note down. Then what is the formula for percolation rate? Milliliter per minute. That is the amount of water upon the time taken, that is percolation time. Supposingly you are pouring 200 milliliter and the time taken is 20 minutes. अभी जो हमने देखा कि आप पाइप में धीरे धीरे पानी डाल रहे हो, you are taken 200 milliliter of water and the time taken to absorb that much water by soil, it is supposingly 20 minutes. Then what is the rate of percolation? 200 milliliter divided by 20 minutes, that is 10 milliliter per minute, right? What is the rate of percolation? It is 10 milliliter per minute. What is the formula? Amount of water upon the percolation time, right? Amount of water upon the percolation time. So this is the formula how to find the rate of percolation for different soil. It will come different in different types of soil, right? If you take a sandy soil, its percolation rate will be the highest, right? क्योंकि वो बहुत जल्दी एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है सैंड है वो, right? So it will be different according to quality of soil. Now moisture in soil. Do you agree there is a moisture in soil? होता है soil में moisture? Yes. अपर सॉइल है उसका मॉइस्चर है वो उड़ जाता है धूप की वजह से. बट इफ यू गो डीप, आप जितना नीचे से उसको निकालोगे सॉइल उतना उसमें ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर होगा. सो टू सी दैट एक्टिविटी 9.5 is given. Take a boiling tube, put 2 spoonfuls of a soil sample in it. Now heat it on a flame and observe it. You can see the picture given over here. Here it is. Like this, you have to put a soil sample and then heat it. On heating, what will you see? Water in the soil evaporates, moves up and condenses the cooler inner walls. You can see the water droplets on the upper side. What is this? This is the moisture from the soil, right? जो गर्मी की वजह से ऊपर आ जाता है. On a hot summer day, the vapor coming out of the soil reflect the sunlight and the air above the soil seems to be shimmer. After heating the soil, take it out. Now compare it with the soil which you have not heated. You can see the difference, right? So there is moisture in the soil. So with this experiment, you can prove that there is moisture in the soil. Next is absorption of water by soil. Okay. So again, homework, read this topic once. We will go through it in the next video. Thank you.